Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here and welcome you all to my channel. In this video, I'm going to create one of the scanner which we are going to use for volume based on charting. So I'm going to tell you how to create this one. It is a free one which you can easily create with this normal basic charting, and it doesn't require any custom indicator. So we created a lot of scanners with a custom indicator. It's not available in default. So this is what one of our recent comment. So volume based. Okay. So there is a two types of volume. One is about normal volume. Another one is on based volume. So there is a two types of volume based series we can use it. So in this video, I'm just going to create the volume one, which we are going to use it for. So the normal one. So comparatively, last 2 days or 3 days, how the volume is greater. So if you are looking at the normal one, here you can see the normal. Here is the big volume. There is another big volume. Here is another big volume. So where you can see there is a large volume which is happening. So we want to find out how that large volumes. So we can going to take how we can easily find out such a big volume trades by charting scanner. So it's a tool to use to find out a real-time trade opportunity. So that we are going to find out with the scanner which you are going to create you right now. So here we can use there is a many methods. So I will be teaching you in this video. So let me open a Chartink. Okay, so I'm just going to create the volume indicator. Okay, let me check with that also. So let me go to create a scan. So in this case, I'm just going to find out a future stocks. So volume. So simply the volume. Here there is a default scanner available. So daily volume must be greater than. So volume. Maybe we can use one day ago or SMA volume also you can utilize. So for example, SMA here instead of close, we can use on volume. Okay, SMA volume and 20 days. So we can multiply it with here if you are going to multiply the number, how many times you want to get the volume is more. Okay, for example, if I'm using a 5 times, okay, the volume is must be greater than 5 times comparing to the SMA volume. So let me check. We will be try to and we don't get any stocks today. So the daily volume is must be greater than the daily SMA volume. How many stocks which is having such a number of 5 times more. So let me save the scan with the test. Okay. So you can check how many stocks. Yeah, previously we have some recent stocks in F&O category also. So anyone we can take for a back test. 13th March we have ITC. Okay. So let me check ITC whether it looks right or wrong. So ITC 13th March. Here it's showing you 13th March. So let me remove this SMA volume, right? So SMA volume. Volume SMA. That's in charting. So we are using SMA simple moving average volume. So we need to separate this or we will go okay. So stocks. We add this data ITC. ITC. Okay. Okay. ITC. Okay. And daily time frame. Today also that was working good. So volume. We add a volume. And, volume. Then why it is showing it that Chartink. So there is a line called volume with SMA. Okay. So that may be the conditions. Okay. Instead of this using normally people who are using this one. Okay. So this will not write at this moment. So I'll be go for a 1 day ago. Simply I will be going to watch greater than volume. Okay, this will help you to find out 1 day ago volume into number 2 or number 2. So, okay, you will be getting easily to understand. So, you can see this much of stocks like LTM entry, Wipro, so in this tower. So, you can easily understand what is happening in those stocks. So, let me remove in this tower. You can see comparatively the volume is 2 times greater than the previous day. So, this particular scanner will help you to find out yesterday volume. We are comparing the stock whether it has increased the volume or not. Okay, double the time. So last yesterday 21st March the volume is around 9.36 and today is 33. Maybe whenever it came to 9.36 into 2, that time only the stock will be on the scanner. 9 point previous day, it will not came into the immediate to the immediate after market open. So when this volume is reached, so we have two times we mentioned. So almost 36 na 18.72. This is what a volume. When this volume is reached in this particular stock, then only that would be came into the scanner. Maybe it is happening around 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock or even 3 o'clock. So we don't know. But if you are looking at a live, so you will be finding out those stocks which is happening such a volume. Maybe we can utilize that stock for next day trading. So for example, these are all the things, and we will be getting a lot of stocks. Yesterday same having a good volume, that is 21st. So let me check on sale. Maybe today you can go for an opportunity. So this is what on 21st. So we are finding a huge volume compared to this previous day. And if you find a breakout above to the previous day high, but it doesn't give you the previous day high breakout. Okay, let me check loop in Infosys, lot of stock. And this it's a previous day compared to the previous day, that volume is greater than previous day, and today's it's not given you such a breakout. We need to check it out. Maybe when the volume is crossed, then only the stock would be listed here. Maybe after that you will be finding out any intraday movement. Okay, so second chances, if you are comparing the volume would be greater than in last 10-15 days. So that is very important. Instead of this, so we will, this is what a line. So for the volume is double, so I will be creating one more line, so we can utilize the volume of the day must be greater than maximum period of duration 10 days. I'm just looking for a last 10 days volume. Okay, into multiplied by number 2. So this will fetch you the stocks which given you 2 times volume comparatively higher than the previous one. So in last 10 days, okay, I will hide this. I save the scanner. Wait, so I have added this. So if you run the scan, it will be Crompton and Wipro are those stocks having a good volume. Okay, Crompton, what's happening here? You can look at this the volume. So maybe after a huge downtrend, okay, there is a huge volume along with hammer candle. So volume is high. So maybe we can look for a trend reversal above this high. So because it is happening after the huge downtrend, there is a huge volume happening and the candle is very tight. Maybe the trend reversal should be possible on the stocks at the lowest level. And you can look at this. This will count. The code will count. Okay, which one in last 10 days? Which volume is highest one? We comparing that one to current volume should be must be greater than the 2 times. Simply I tell you. So maybe in this case, which one is high? So 1 here is about a 5.5, 4.7. Here in the case 4.6 maybe. So almost 10 days, last 10 days, this is the highest volume, 5.15. When the volume crosses 10, then the stock will be on the scanner. The second stock which we have seen by this scanner is Wipro. Let me check Wipro. So maybe a trend reversal which may be possible on Crompton. So Wipro also gapped down at the lowest level after the trend which made a high of 545 and now it is trading 487, and last average 10 days volume not an average volume, highest volume comparing to the last 10 days. Today's volume must be double the time comparing to the previous 10 days. Okay, so maybe this is also looks like a hammer at the bottom. So maybe reversal chances should be possible in this particular stock. So let me track this one for tomorrow's trade opportunities. I hope you understood. So this way we can easily filter out high volume, or you can simply go for which one breaks the higher level. Remove the right, and you will be finding how many stocks, lot of stocks here at this moment. And if you want to focus on only a positive stocks, you can mention the daily close must be greater than the open, so it will be only fetching you the positive stocks only. That means only a stock which is positive closed. So number 2, I think this is what an easiest scanner which you can create. I'll be save the scan, and you can easily create the follow the steps. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel.